Abo hai rong ni bagai engke abun sai sikang no ang PhD ni exam ngai PhD wa ang tasha afro ta mangka PhD by reference tasha first rank phaijo ka then ani sar musu ka this time to naya kar grang na bole asa ani this time ya kar yasa gafrang join khaya ang tam master ani jo project khai dong pro ang ani research ni master research ni ti kaham ke samung khaya ko ang kahsa kaham journal dokang paper publish kya abun bagai ang kongma awards mangka like Dr. M.S. Swaminathan Award for Outstanding Master Research in Agriculture and Allied Science, Dr. Arupnath Memorial Gold Medal Award, aba herokman kha, aba haimane kongma publication of having basically jeffro post khai kya angafra apply khai kya, the interview ang face khai kya, aba niaglo February 18 no chini result out kha, gang 21 join khai kha assistant professor, tabani PhD ni ta kisi samung ang Tangito. Dina kisa chikon sa ko kasarna mo suma hangke abono so success bahai ke man nai. Ite kisha hangkang sana mo sungo sini as a human being sini responsibility tam. Abono kari ang sana mo sung kaisa sini kuma challenge se distraction fayo abo hajaro sang bahai ke thangai. Gisang as a tamnai sang success no lugna ni ke success abo salsa hard work khaima bai faya. Sangli bai bo faya. Jeng tahu ngai di ang 5 years to 6 years silang porina sengkha still ang tabu 28 years ang tabu pori tongku abo bused years ni hard work nai di abo gisang continuously hard work klai thangkai kaisa point to thangai nang blessing mani nai success nang blessing haike mani nai abo haike sang mani yo tenke te kesha hangkai chini as a human being sini society utam responsibility sang abo saman nang nai jebro chungserai chikon sa tong tongu afro te sang siklas hogo totally sang sini parents super sang dependent ngayo but after certain point of haing thangnai ultangai thangnai nini parents se nini upor dependent nang thangnai afro nang bahai khainai arbo sini precious time no sang nosto khayawoi sang o precious time mo sang focus khain nango sini careers nam thaniwo kwangma distraction phainai kwangma challenges phainai abo hayaje ani kungma challenges distraction pa ke gang start kenya abo hinya because it's a part of life challenges the distraction abo chini part of life abo no sunam nai the best version of you a challenges no sunam nai nge abo ni bagai sung tamne sung ba sa thai de ani friends from pararo thwe malayo kawma no kai jagai besar man kha nge bro bai sometimes kok salake bro tam sa sung pori man ya fano ani besar pori bai sidon ni hino Pagi jeng all mental change kaya nai, seng sering yang kai sini next generation seng tang fun man nai, seng sering yang kai seng sini next generation seng tang message remene seng bahai ke tersai lang nai, awan bai je orang tong nai dong, seng joto sini yakung bai seng basana nang nai, seng motivated ngan nai sini precious time no seng waste kaya woi, sini aim no ba sini goal no te seng sak basa thani mo seng tersana nang nai, seng senam nang nai. Ya paithago abono ang kok sare paithani ko kaisano ang sanamo sungo God will not test you beyond your limits, therefore do not give up and fall. Thank you.